can export the quote. And again, you get different settings that allow you to include and exclude specific information that you've quoted in case you need to make last-minute adjustments to the output side of things before you send it to a customer. You also have a myriad of pages that are available to you to support any stage of the policy acquisition lifecycle, as well as client retention lifecycle. So everything from summary of the packages that you've presented and their cost and cost breakdown in comparison to one another, the details. So this is the page that shows you the percent difference per person. Consolidated benefits and rates shows you benefits at the top and rates at the bottom for up to 15 employees on the PDF portrait version. We have rate tables for every single plan, as well as rate of pay affordability for those of you who are working with an ALE or an organization that is a subcomponent of an ALE that requires that they meet affordability guidelines established by the ACA. You also have benefit side-by-side displays as well as rate side-by-side displays. These are the ones, the benefit sides show you those highlighted benefit differences, including the red and green that you've applied to show better or worse. We have 2 types of enrollment worksheets for the employees. We also have an ancillary enrollment worksheet. So if you're selling dental, vision, and life, you can create a worksheet that is customized to each employee and include that worksheet as a summary of the employee's plan options when you go to perform your enrollment meeting. We also have the employee premium and contribution statement. This is really helpful for questions around what did the employee enroll in and what is the cost breakdown such that you can start a payroll deduction. And then, of course, carrier-specific requirements give you some of the package details, the information that you have to pay attention to when you're going to sell the case that you will have to deliver to the carrier in order to formally make your policy request and have it be approved. You also have the ability to request our sister companies, California Choice and Choice Builder quotes. These are their proprietary quote output. You can, of course, build their quotes within our application and within our quote itself, but this is just if you want their formats. You do have the ability to brand your output. So if you know your hex codes, we do have some people using this for their clients' hex codes as well. You can customize the color of the output presentation to your needs. And on the right-hand side, you can choose your output formats that you would like. We do have outputs in Excel, PDF, and PowerPoint. The PowerPoint is in landscape format. And you have the ability to either accept a download directly from the screen or email the proposal to yourself.